Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this amazing Range Rover Autobiography P400e in SVO Premium Palette Spectral Blue. This car's previously had one owner. As you can see, you have 21-inch light silver diamond toned finish alloys, which really gives the car a luxury appearance. Privacy glass to keep personal items more secure. A powered tailgate, which is useful if you've got your hands full. As you can see, you do have a lot of space there in the back for things such as golf clubs, push chairs, holiday luggage and shopping. You also have keyless entry and electrically deployable side steps, making it easier to get in and out of the car. Illuminated autobiography tread plates and a lovely contrasting leather interior. A sliding panoramic roof, great for allowing in more light, and is really nice to open on a sunny day or just for some fresh air. You also have a leather headlining, which really gives you a luxury feel. A cooler compartment, handy if you're going on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. If I put the car into reverse, you'll see you've got a rear view camera along with a 360-degree surround camera, making parking and reversing so much easier. Heated and cooled front seats, practical for winter and summer, and these seats are also massage with a few different settings to choose from. You also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect your phone to, along with vehicle departures so you can set the temperature before you get in the car. Ambient lighting, various different colours to choose from, which looks effective in the dark, and you can adjust the brightness or you can turn it off altogether. And you can also turn off your deployable side steps if you don't want those on. Controls on your wheel, so you have a speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control, along with blind spot monitor, and they're all really helpful for driving along the motorway. Heated steering wheel, definitely a must on a cold winter morning. Memory seats throughout the car, but that's really helpful if there's several people driving. And a Meridian sound system for better quality sound. This car's done 35,196 miles. And stepping back outside the car, that was a stunning Range Rover Autobiography. If you're interested in this vehicle, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.